as you reach retirement age, your health is probably the most important factor to consider. And when deciding on retirement accommodation, resident medical support services is very, very important. Talk to us about this, and what should people be looking out for in terms of medical support services in the retirement accommodation?
Yes. People always assume that all retirement estate offers on-site support services. Unfortunately, that is not the case. Very few retirement estates do offer on-site 24-hour frail care services, and I think that is probably the best way to go. The implications when it is not available close by and when you don't have guaranteed access to facilities like that is that you always have to get in the car. So what people should really consider is a facility where there are 24-hour support facilities, frail care facilities on site, 24-hour medical emergency support on site so that you can literally push the button anytime during day or night and have people knock on your door to help you. And then I think these days, in addition to that, also home-based care becomes more important. These days, people want to live in their own houses and apartments for as long as possible, independently. That independence has a lot to do with the way we experience getting older and the dignity with which we grow older.